fellas, this video is a quick video to explain your leaning and your richening of your motor a little bit easier. That way you just know which way to turn it for which one. It's my little trick of figuring out. So it's basically, you got to think of opposite. So right is left and left is right. So if you're going to richen, which is an R, you want to turn it to the left. So to richen it, it's always going to be opposite of what it is. So leaning it, you turn it to the right, L right, richen it to the left. Alright, so basically, say we're going to richen the high speed here. So to richen it, we turn it to the left. And that goes with the low speed too. This is I just slapped this carburetor together. This is a 3.3 carburetor. Traxxas 3.3 engine carburetor. So high speed, low speed. So that's the easiest way to remember it. Richen, letter starts with the R. So to richen, you turn it to the left. It's always going to be the opposite, if you think of it like that. I hope I'm not making this too confusing, and that's understanding. You want to rich it in colder climates and lean it in warmer climates. Richen, turn to the left. Leaning, turn to the right. LR, RL. So that's my way of doing it. Just think of it as opposite. So whatever you want to do, if it's leaning it starts with an L, you're going to turn it right. Richen it starts with an R, you're going to turn it left. Richen, leaning. That goes for all needles. High speed, low speed. Not the idle screw, obviously. And these are just plugs. If you had different models to put the engine in, just plug these off. Alright, I hope this, guys, helps you. It helped me out, it helps me understand. Because at first, nobody, they would say, oh, you gotta richen it. Well, which way is to turn it to richen it? And the easiest way to remember it is my little method there. Opposite. Alright, fellas, like, subscribe, share. Hopefully this helps you guys and others.